I understand what you're saying. It was understandable that she was so excited after seeing her good scores. Oh, I'm so sorry you misunderstood me. You know, we use the word understand in many different ways. Let's take a look at a few of these. Understand. We use the word understand quite often. It means to perceive the meaning or grasp the idea of something. The word understand is a verb. I understand clearly what you have said. This means that you have grasped the idea of what the other person has said. We can also use the word misunderstand when you don't understand somebody. For example, I think you misunderstand me. Here you're telling the other person that they did not understand what you tried to say. They thought one thing when you really meant something else. You could also use this word as an adjective. Understandable is the adjective form. The speech was understandable even for a child. This means that the speech that was given could be understood even if you were a young child. We can also use this word as an adverb. Understandably is the adverb form. Many adverbs end in ly. The new policy was understandably received with open arms. Now this means that the new policy was accepted very easily and everybody would understand why it was accepted. We also often use this word with so. Understandably so. The new policy was received with open arms and understandably so, because it would increase trade between the countries. Now this means that it was obvious that the new policy would be received because it would increase trade between the countries. One more way that we can use this is as a noun. The word understanding. My understanding of the problem seems to be different from yours. Now here, the meaning is that my thoughts about what the problem is are different from your thoughts. So we can use this word in many different ways. Understand, misunderstand, understandable, understandably, understandably so, and understanding. Try using the word understand with all of these different ways the next time you try writing something.